What's up YouTube? This is the Wisco Boater channel. My name is Chad. We just got off the dock. I forgot to press record when we left the dock, but I seem to have a habit of doing that. But I've got Adam and Gina with me this weekend. Adam's pulling in fenders right now and coming back on board. We don't actually know what we're going to do today. The plan was to go over to Menominee. We're going to go out to Green Bay. Signature move. We're going to go out to Green Bay and see what the water is like. We've got a northeast wind and could make for a not so pleasant ride going across Green Bay. So don't know if we're going to do that, but we're going to go out and check it out and maybe end up floating for a little while this afternoon. We could go to Egg Harbor. So plans are kind of just in the air. We'll see what happens. I forgot my wiper blade is up. I clean windows. Thank you, Adam. We'll be cruising today with Harmony, Kevin and Michelle's boat. Wherever we go, they're gonna go, or wherever they go, we're gonna go, whatever it is. Whatever.
Is it when you get past this 21 you can open it up, or you can?
No, we can now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we were out of the wake zone, no wake zone a little while ago. All right. Right engine.
What's it doing? What's that doing?
The right engine is, I don't know if I got my carburetor issue or something clogged up or what.
Butter? Got some fumes there, heavy for a second.
Yeah.
Are you looking at that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Did this last time I was out.
What?
Hey Harmony, same thing. I got right engine doing the same thing.
10-4, you gonna shut her down and investigate, or what do you got going?
I'm gonna try to push it again real quick and see if I can get it to clear out.
10-4.
Okay, that's simple. We're gonna try it. 1?
Hmm?
It's on 0.
Yeah.
Something's up with the right engine. We're just kind of sputtering, so he's trying to figure out what's going on.
Fuck.
I got another 1,000. It won't turn on now, right?
It's in gear.
Huh?
It was in gear.
Yeah. There we go.
All right, guys, this is probably a no-go for me. Right engine died, but it's restarted now, but it went to 0.
10-4, we'll follow you back in. We're good. This is a little bit choppier to have too much fun with, and it's a little too cool. So,
It is cool,
yeah,
man.
we'll follow you back in, and if
cool
you
it
need
is.
assistance, you just let me know.
Roger that, we'll do.
When you get back to the bridge, we'll switch over to 16.
Roger.
Well, at least you found out now.
Yeah, I don't, it's just weird because it does just fine at idle.
But when you go underpower it,
Yeah.
that's fuck you.
Yeah, this wouldn't be a super fun ride over Menominee anyway.
Yeah.
Running fine at this speed. I mean, I'm at 2,000 RPM, good oil pressure, good temperature, everything's fine. It's just when I try to go get up to about 3,000 RPM, it drops back and dies.
Yeah, you might have something in your accelerator pump on your car that's giving you a little bit of trouble. Maybe a little blockage or something.
All right, we'll check it out.
We're going to head back into port anyway. No go to Menominee anyway. She's a little too choppy.
Yep, we were just talking about the same thing. It's not going to be a fun ride over there anyway.
No, we're here to have fun instead of wasting money on fuel and killing ourselves, so it's just fine.
Exactly.
Yeah, we'll just hang back, follow you, and then we'll dock first, and we'll give you assistance coming into the dock.
Roger that. Alright, guys.
Okay. I'm sorry about the road.
Well, if it's just the accelerator pump, just to take it off and clean it out. Because it's doing fine right now.
Yeah.
Just want to give it throttle that opens up that accelerator pump. Something's got to be blocking it. Alright, well, engine trouble again. We got, the engine's running fine now. I've got good oil pressure, temperature's fine. It's running fine. I'm at 2,000 RPM. We're doing about 9 knots. But when I put the throttle forward, the right engine wants to start cutting out. And actually on that last run, it completely died. So might be accelerator pump. We're gonna get back to the dock here and talk about it and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. But it's running perfectly fine right now. So we're just gonna slow cruise back into the dock and maybe go to the pool.
Yep. Going in heads first.
Yep. We're off.
Okay. You want to pull her upstairs, honey? Okay, we're good.
Far back?
Yeah, we're a little back.
Yeah, we're all right.
Good job.
Thank you.
So when you got it, if you hit it hard, were you hitting it hard or were you gradual?
I did the first one gradually, and the second one I hit it.
And the second one is when it sounds like your accelerator.
Right.
There's something wrong. It's carbureted, right?
Yeah.
How many barrel carb is on this thing? It sounds like you have a hesitation in your accelerator.
In the secondary.
And that will, if you're getting too much fuel and you jam it, you'll snub an engine.
Yeah, and that's what happened. It was like dropping, zero. Shut off. And then I went to start it, and it wouldn't do anything. I'm like, fuck.
Yeah. And then you realize.
So I was like, oh, it's still in gear.
Right here.
It's not gonna start when it's in gear.
Fuck no. My thoughts are is that it's going to be, you got a carburetor issue.
Yeah,
You don't have an ignition issue because you can start back up.
yeah, and it runs.
And your fuel
Runs fine up to 2,000 RPM. All right, so I'm sitting on Harmony with Kevin and Michelle. You can see Thirsty Whale's back in the dock. Didn't have any issues getting it back in this afternoon, but I do have a potential carburetor issue to deal with. Talked with Kevin about it a little bit. Could be ignition related, but I think we're leaning more towards carburetor fuel related issue at this point. So I'm down for a little while, but I'll get it figured out, and when I start working on that, you know I'm going to video it, so look forward to that. But it was a great day anyway. Came back and hung out at the pool, and now just chilling, relaxing this afternoon. So thanks for watching this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Happy boating, everybody.